Welcome back to SpadeCardMagic. Today I'm going to show you the fairest card trick I know. So before I begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, so the spectator can start off by picking any card. Let's say they select this one right here, and it's not that type of trick because I can look at it, so it's the Two of Hearts. And now I can take their card and put it deep inside the deck, and they can push it in just like so. So now once it's lost, I'm going to give the deck a quick shuffle like so, just to completely lose their card. Now I'd hand the deck back to the spectator, and they could deal the deck into two piles like so, just like that. And remember guys, if you're enjoying this video, leave a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Alright, so once the spectator is done, I can square it up like so, and they are going to pick one. So let's say they select this one right here. So I can eliminate all these cards. And we're left with this stack. And now I'd hand it back to them once again and have them deal it into two piles one more time. Okay, they've dealt it into these two piles, and they've stopped at these two cards. So now we can eliminate all these cards like so. We don't need them anymore. So now we're down to these two cards, and the spectator is going to pick one card. So let's say they select this card right here. We can eliminate this one. Alright, they've pushed the card into a random location in the deck, and they eliminated all the cards in the deck. So they're left with their Two of Hearts. Alright, this trick is really easy, and you can have the spectator start off by selecting any card, but you don't want to show them this card. You want to put it back on top and explain that it's okay if you see it, because you want to actually get ready for a double lift just like that. And now the double lift is important because it gives you an opportunity to what looks like place their card in the deck, but you don't want to flash that because that won't be their card. Then you can even have them push their card into the deck. And how fair does that look for the spectator? It looks like they just selected a card and put it back in the middle. And now you can do any shuffle or false shuffle to maintain the top card. So I just did a ripple shuffle like so, and had a bigger stack on this side, and did it like that to maintain the top. You can do anything. So once you do that, hand it back to the spectator, and have them deal off two piles. From there, you want to remember which pile they start with, because that will be the one the top card goes down onto. So if they start on this side, that's the pile you want to remember. If they start on this side, that's the pile you want to remember. Alright, now I'm done dealing, and you want to remember, but just for the tutorial, I'll show you guys that the 2 is actually on this side, and this is not their card. So you would want to remember which card they place down first. And now this is what magicians often call magician's choice. So you're going to give them what they think is a free choice, but you're going to manipulate it. So let's say they select this packet, then you know that's their card, but then you're going to say, okay, we're going to keep that packet and eliminate this one. But if they select this packet, you're going to say, okay, we're going to just eliminate that packet. And now you're left with this packet, and now have them deal it off into two piles, just like the last time. But remember, their card is on the bottom, so remember which pile they end on. Alright, I'm ending on this pile, and you want to remember that because that's very important for later. You can square these up, then have them take the top cards like so, eliminate all the other cards, and have them put it in their hands if you can, and then you have them select one, but don't flip it over. And same thing here, magician's choice. If they select this one, you keep it. If they select this one, you eliminate it. And then let's eliminate that one. Then you can explain to them how fair it was. And then they're left with just their card. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SpadeCardMagic.